Hello everyone. Okay, see, before starting new chapter, new lesson, just I'm discussing with you about something. See here, what is this? We can say balloons or lollipop or anything. Okay, we can say anything, but we can say here balloons. See here, how many groups? Check it once again. जैसे आपके हाथ में बलून्स है, एक हाथ में कितने हैं और ये देखना हमें, देखना 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ऐसे है, लेकिन इस कितने ग्रुप है 1 2 3 4 5 कितने ग्रुप है यहाँ पे, टोटल नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स. सी ईच ग्रुप 2 balloon, each group 2 balloons, and how many groups? 5 groups. How many groups? 5 groups. Then you can add this with addition method. See, addition. If you, how many each group? How many balloons? 2. How many groups? 5. Add it. You can get your answer. See, आपके पास कितने बलून हो गए 10. ओके, ये दो गए एडिशन के, इसमें से अबे हमें देखना है उसका कुछ अलग से. दैट इज द कौन सा चैप्टर है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो व्हाट इज द चैप्टर नेम? चैप्टर नेम इज multiplication. Okay, now see here, 5 groups, each group 2 balloons, so we have add 5 times, so we will get 10. But regarding our multiple, how many groups? 5. And how many balloons in each group? 2. So count the table of 2 or 5. Count 2 5s are 10. Like this you can multiple of any groups. Okay, can you multiple? Yes, सिंपल सी बात है. आपके पास कुछ चॉकलेट है, ये भी देखेंगे. ओके, ओके, आपके पास कुछ चॉकलेट है, कुछ, यानी कि आई विल गिव यू each group 3 chocolates. Simple. This is the Alpenlibe. Okay, I can give Alpenlibe chocolate to you. Okay, check it, don't eat it. Now see, these are the chocolate group 1 2 3. How many groups? There are 3 groups. How many? There are 3 groups. And each group how many chocolate? Can you tell? Each group how many chocolate? Each group equal to 4 चॉकलेट. 3 ग्रुप है, ईच ग्रुप 4 चॉकलेट. तो टोटल चॉकलेट आपको फाइंड करने हैं. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल चॉकलेट इन दिस बॉक्स? कितने होंगे? सिंपल सी बात है, आपको क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सिंपल है. 3 into 4. You can count the table of 3 or 4. You will get the answer 12. Yes, like this you can calculate about these things. Okay, simple है. मैं आपको और एक चीज बताऊंगा. Just minute. Within a 1 minute, I will show you some different things. Okay. Okay, see now one example. See, this is the cube. I have some cubes. I will show you. Here I will make separate in different groups. I will show you that. See, first of all I will show you about this group. See, this is the first group. I will show you about this. This is the second group. See, how many groups I have? 3 groups. And each group, how many cube? 3 cube. See, 3 groups, 5 cubes. How many cube? 5. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, each group 5 cube. And how many groups? 3 groups. So you can easily identify about this. I will show you how to identify. Okay, if you have 3 groups and each group 5 cube, then how many cube have you? How many cube? Now you can check it. Each 3 groups. How many groups? 3 groups. And each group, how many cube? 5. Each group 5 cube. How many? 5 cube. So then we have to calculate the total number of cube. How many? Yes, you can calculate with the help of multiplication. Just multiple 3 by 5 or 5 by 3. Any. What is the answer? Total number of cube. How many? 15 cube. Like this you can easily identify or easily calculate the multiplication of any number. I hope you understood about this very well with the help of different examples. First example I have given about balloons. Second example I have given about chocolate. Third example I have given about cube. Okay. Like this you can judgment, you can calculate the multiplication of any numbers. I hope you understood about this. Multiplication also called product. Okay. Like this you can easily understand. Simple सी बात है. आपके घर पे one thing, simple example I will give you about our family life. आपके घर में से क्या किया? मम्मी ने आपको 50 रुपए की नोट दी, पापा ने 20 रुपए की, भाई ने 10 रुपए की. सॉरी, ओके, ये सब हो गया. हमारे पास कितने रुपए हो गए टोटल? हाउ मेनी मनीज? 50 plus 20 plus 10. How many? 80 rupees. Okay, but if you want to calculate the multiple of this, then how can you calculate? मम्मी के पास से आपके पास 30 रुपीज आ गए, पापा के पास से 30 रुपीज आ गए. ओके, उसके बाद भाई के पास के भी 30 रुपीज आ गए. तीनों के पास से आपके पास 30 रुपीज आ गए. तो हाउ मेनी मीन्स टोटल, हाउ मेनी रुपीज हैव यू? टोटल पैसे कितने हो गए आपके पास? कितने हो गए? सी, अब यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. सिंपल से एग्जांपल है, यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दिस. I will show you about this. आपके पापा के पास से 30 रुपीज आ गए, मम्मी के पास के भी 30 रुपीज आ गए और भाई के पास के भी 30 रुपीज आ गए। कितने हो गए ग्रुप? 3 ग्रुप हो गए। हाउ मेनी? 3 ग्रुप्स। कितने ग्रुप बन गए यहाँ पे? 3 ग्रुप्स। ओके, और इस ग्रुप में कितने पैसे हैं? 30 रुपीज। हाउ मेनी? 30 रुपीज। तो टोटल कितने होंगे? 30 into 3, you can just calculate it. 3 0 0, 3 3s are 9. How many rupees have you? 90 rupees. ऐसे आप पैसों के बारे में भी कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हो with the help of different multiplication system. Okay, like this you can easily understand. In next video we will start our main chapter. Okay, so best of luck for new chapter. You can easily understand with the help of other example. Hello everyone. In last video we have seen general information regarding multiplication, but in this video we have to see different points from the lesson. Before that I would like to request, please subscribe Karan Sir's mathematics classes and don't forget to click on bell icon. This is the most important things for you. Okay, now from this lesson, in previous video we have seen about how to calculate multiplication, but today we will see in this video multiplication as a repeated addition. Multiplication as a repeated addition means what? Okay, कैसे करना है ये हम चुटकी में बता देंगे. अभी देखो यहाँ पे ग्रुप देखो, 5 5 का ग्रुप बनाया है हमने यहाँ पे. Yes, how many? Each group 5 5 circle. Then total number of groups how many? 4. अगर इसको हमें इस मेथड से सॉल्व करना है तो you can solve like this. This is the repeated method of addition. How can you solve it? I will show you about this. 5 plus 5 10, 5 plus 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. How many? 20. Like this you can solve any example of multiplication with the help of repeated addition, but it is very different component. But you directly solve with the help of multiplication. How many group? 4. Each group how many circle? 5. So now 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Like this you can solve easily about this. Okay. Okay. Like this you can calculate anything regarding this. Okay. Now next in that, what is by product? Already I told you multiplication is also called product. Okay, but we will see what is the product of that. Okay, I will show you about this. What is that product? ध्यान देना है. ओके, सिंपल सी बात है, प्रोडक्ट में क्या होता है और क्या नहीं. सिंपल है. अभी आपके पास दो नंबर है. सी 5 into 3, 5 into 3. What is the multiplication of these two number? 5 into 3 15. Correct. How many? 15. So here you can identify this is the multiplicand. We can say multiplicand. These three. What is these three? Multiple. Multiplier, and which answer we got, that is called our product. This is our product. See, multiplicand, multiplier and product. This is the about relation regarding these three things, that is the product. I hope you understood. If you calculate any two numbers, then which answer you will get? That answer is called product. I will show you again. Okay, see another example we will see here. Suppose 7 into 2. What is the product of these two? Can you tell? Yes, 14. Correct. What is the product of this? 14. This is the multiplicand, this is the multiplier, and this is the product. Like this you can identify about this. Yes, I hope you understood about this very well. Okay.